If you want to see me reveal my next 2 polishes from the Ciaté Mini Mani month for 2019, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène, and yes, we're going to get into this box again today for 2 more polishes. I am just now going into two polishes per video because there are some duplicates from last year's box, in which case was Ciaté 2018. So I'm getting the advent calendar from the previous year and opening it up throughout this year. I've done that. This is my 2nd year now doing it, and I really, really love it. It just extends the appreciation and engagement with the advent calendar as opposed to just 1 month. I get a full year of goodies. And so that is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to randomize from 1 to 24 and see what numbers I pull and open up the 2 products corresponding to the numbers that I picked. But before I do that, I just want to go over the products that I have been using this past month. The one polish I picked that was not a repeat last month was this one, which is Splash. And I ended up using this one with 2 separate colors. I ended up using it with a bluish gray base, which is called Total Eclipse. So this one underneath, and then this one on top, and it was a really neat combination. It turned into kind of a neat metallic gold deep green. It was quite a grungy look, and I thought it looked really good. And then I liked Splash so much that I paired it with this one, which is Pepperminty from Ciaté as well. They're all Ciaté polishes that I wore as far as what I've shown you so far. And if you're wondering what I have on my nails today, it's yet another combination, but this one from Deborah Lippmann. I was looking for them and they were right in front of me. So it's 2 colors that actually go well together. Here, I'll show you one side so that you can really see what the colors are like. And it turns into a really nice combination. And this the one I used as more of a base is called Bust a Move. And then this one, which was the topper, just 1 coat of this one, but 2 coats of the purple, is I Like to Move It. So Bust a Move and Like to Move It, and it makes a wonderful combination. I've only had it on for 2 days, but I'm really loving it. And I have to say that the Ciaté Mini Mani month, they last a week. They really last a week, and I end up taking it off after 6-ish days before it gives me a big chip. But most of the time it lasts a good 7 days if I allow it to get to the point where it chips. But I usually try to take my nail polish at some point off when it's not inconvenient. I decide when I'm going to take it off. So usually 5-6 days I'll take it off. But I have gone 7 days and over and have been really impressed by how well it stays on the nails. So those have been the polishes I've been enjoying this past month for the most part. And so now we are getting into this box, and let's go right into the number randomizer. And I'm using the Pretty Random app, and I'm going from 1 to 24. Okay, and here we go. Now let's randomize 2 numbers. There we go. 10 and 8. Let's see if we picked those before. 8 has not been picked and 10 has not been picked. Perfect. 8 and 10. So I'm going to try to do my best not to blind you. They are both on the same side, so 8 is up here and 10 is down here. So let me open up 8. And the little saying inside the box says, "Wake up, beauty, it's time to beast." That could mean so many things. I will leave it to your imagination. Now, what is this one? Royal Rain. I'm pretty sure I do not have this one. Royal Rain. It looks a little bit like knee-highs, but without the metallic nature to it. I like it. It's a deep navy. Very nice. And as you can tell, I like the deep colors. Instead of a deep purple in this case, well, I wouldn't say this one is a deep purple, but it's definitely not a pastel. And this one, yeah, definitely a matte navy. I'm seeing a hint of purple in it, but not a whole lot. So I'm happy with this color, no question. And now let's hope that this other number 10, which is right down here, is not a duplicate either. And the saying inside this one is, don't give up on your dreams, keep sleeping. The sayings this time around are just a little strange. Don't you think? Don't give up your dreams, keep sleeping. But keep sleeping sounds negative to me. I don't know. We have, I think, a color I don't have. Oh, I do have it. It's the color Iced Frappé, and it's a color I like, but I do have it already. So this is going to go to a friend of mine, and I'm sure she will love it because it's a very, very wearable color. Okay, well, that's all right. That happens, but I have to say I really like this one. So Royal Rain is going to be a very nice addition, and you might think that it looks quite a bit like Total Eclipse, but I would say it's, once you see them side by side, they're pretty different. This one's a lot deeper than Total Eclipse, which is ironic, but anyway. Yeah, very different actually from each other, so I'm okay with that. Well, if Ciaté London is trying to convince me not to get another advent calendar next year, they're doing a good job, because at least 1 out of every 2 of these videos I do every month, I have a dupe. Not dupe meaning a duplicate. I have a duplicate every second month. So I will endeavor to use Royal Rain, and I will bring out my Iced Frappé and use those colors over the coming month, and of course a few more, and let you know what I think of this little guy and of the color combinations I come up with. So let me know what you think of the color I picked, Royal Rain and Iced Frappé, and I look forward to reporting back on the nail polish combos that I pick this month. And other than that, I'll say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it every single time. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, take care.